Welcome back to the revision session. Alright, it's chapter 4, quadratic equation. Here is one word problem from exercise 4.3 and it's question number 9. Alright, it is related to work and remuneration. वो work and remuneration chapter के base के ऊपर है. So first we'll try to understand few questions. Alright, थोड़ा pre-preparation करते हैं before we solve that sum. Try to understand, it's very important. If you will understand these sums well, then you will understand question number 9 also well. Okay, let's see. What is the first statement? A machine can complete a job in 3 hours. Complete means one. See, this is divided into 4 parts. If I shade this, 1 out of 4. But if I shade 2, it becomes 2 out of 4. If I shade 3, 3 out of 4. But if I shade 4th one, that means whole. Pura. Whole is shaded. So you can say 4 out of 4. And what is 4 out of 4? 1. So whenever we say whole work is done, complete work is done, it's 1. Do you understand? Okay. A machine can complete a job in 3 hours. So this is time. Time is given. Find the rate of work. Complete the job. Means one work. Complete work. Pura ka. Alright. So what you are given is work done. What you are given is work done. How much is work done? 1. And time taken. How much is time taken? 3 hours. And you are supposed to find the rate of work. ये आप lower class में पढ़ के आए हैं. The formula to find rate of work is work done upon time. So rate of work is work done upon time taken. Here the work done is 1 and time taken is 3. So what is the rate of work? 1/3 part of work per hour. Per hour. This is the unit of rate of work. Part per hour. So what is the rate of work? What is the rate of work? Look here, children. Whenever the work done is 1, complete. ये formula में डाल दो. So that is 1 upon. The work done is complete. Whole work is done. Means W will be 1. So ये formula बन जाएगी R is equal to 1 upon. What can you say about this equation? R for and T for time. They are inversely proportional. Very good. They are reciprocal of each other. They are reciprocal of each other. देख लीजिए ना. Time was given. What is the time? So what is the rate of work? The reciprocal of 3. What is the reciprocal of 3? 1 upon 3. Do you understand? If rate of work is given, suppose the rate of work for this machine is 1/3, then what is the time taken? 3 hours. Uska reciprocal. So rate of work and time taken are reciprocal of each other when we are talking about complete work, when we are talking about whole work, when we are talking about one work. Are you getting me? तो ये थोड़ा ध्यान में रखें. चलिए next one. So मतलब first one, a machine can complete a job, full work, complete work in 3 hours. Find the rate of work. The rate of work is reciprocal of time because the work here is 1. If time taken is 3, the rate of work is 1 upon 3 part per hour. Let's see the next one. The rate of work, that means R is given for the machine is 1/4 part. 1/4 part per day. How much time? That means you have to find the time. Does it take to do complete अथवा to complete the job? One work, complete job. So time will be reciprocal of क्योंकि यहाँ 1 वर्क है. So instead of writing rate of work is equal to work done upon time. Rate of work is 1/4. Work is 1. So time cross multiplication that is equal to 4. अरे भाई reciprocal of 1/4 is 4. And ये day है. The time is expressed in terms of day. So 4 days. So in how much time will the machine complete the job? 4 days. 4 days. So ये बराबर दिमाग में रखना. The rate of work and time taken are reciprocal of each other whenever we are talking about the work done equal to 1. Whole work, complete work. आगे देखते हैं. Third one. Rajesh eats 15 gulab jamuns per minute. So this is rate of work. So many gulab jamuns per minute. Rate of work are for Rajesh. Rate of work for Rajesh is 15 gulab jamuns per minute. While Ketan eats 20 gulab jamuns per minute. Gulab jamuns per minute. So that is also rate of work. But this is rate of work for Ketan. So let me write symbolically R. What is the rate of work? 20 gulab jamuns per minute. Find their combined rate of work. Find their combined rate of work. अकेला राजेश गुलाब जामुन खाना शुरू करेगा तो 1 मिनट में he will devote 15 गुलाब जामुन. और साइमल्टेनियसली अकेला केतन गुलाब जामुन खाना शुरू करेगा तो 1 मिनट में वो कितना खाएगा? लेकिन दोनों को साथ में शुरू करवा दिया तो 1 मिनट में दोनों कितने गुलाब जामुन खाएंगे? 35. सिंपल टू अंडरस्टैंड. दोनों बोथ आर डूइंग द वर्क साइमल्टेनियसली. सो 1 मिनट में ज्यादा गुलाब जामुन खाएंगे. राजेश खाएंगे 15 और केतन खाएंगे. So totally 1 minute में. So you are supposed to find the combined rate of work. तो भाई combined rate of work ढूंढना हो तो 15 individual rate of work का addition कर लो. Now see rate of work for Rajesh and Ketan. See how I am writing symbolically. Rate of work for Rajesh and Ketan. That means this is combined rate of work. I am talking about combined rate of work. That is rate of work of Rajesh plus rate of work of Ketan. सीधा ऐड कर दो 15 plus 20. 15 plus 20 and that is 35 gulab jamuns per minute. So when they are doing the work of eating together, they are going to devote 35 gulab jamuns in 1 minute. Alright? काम पूरा करना हो तो combined पूरा काम. If they have to do complete work, this is the combined rate of work. Rate of work for Rajesh and Ketan together. इतना काम करते हैं तो काम पूरा करना है. जितने भी गुलाब जामुन हो गए एक पूरा काम कंप्लीट वर्क करना है of eating. तो how much time they will take? Reciprocal. क्योंकि पूरा काम की बात कर रहा हूं. So time taken by Rajesh and Ketan together to complete the job of eating gulab jamuns, जितने भी हो पूरा वर्क, that will be 1/35 minutes. 1/35 minutes. Is that clear? Okay? समझ में आई बात? Now see. Next one. Combined rate of work of person, this one is left, Mitesh and Jalpa together can finish the work in 4 hours. Together, combining it. Mitesh and Jalpa can do the work in 4 hours. So time is given. Time taken by Mitesh and Jalpa, that is 4 hours. So what is the combined rate of work? Take later. Find the combined rate of work. Bolo. Rate of work for Mitesh and Jalpa together will be 1/4 part of work per hour. Are you getting me? Did you understand? Next one. Combined rate of work of person A and person B is 3 upon 4 part per. So rate of work for person A and person B. See the symbol that I am using. That is equal to 3 upon 4 part per hour. Now the question is, find the time in which they together can complete the job. Complete the job. So time taken by these two persons together will be 4 upon 3 hours. That will be 1 hour 20 minutes. 4 upon 3 is 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay? Is that clear? Alright. Here is that word problem that we are waiting to solve. Alright? It is based on work and remuneration. Rate of work, work done, time taken. Okay? Let's see the statement first and try to understand. 2 water taps together can fill a tank in 9 integer 3 upon 8 hours. This is time. What is given? Time. 2 taps together, when they are opened, they fill the tank in. This is tap 1 and this is tap 2. Tap 1 and tap 2. One tap is having smaller diameter, other tap is having. When both the taps are open, alright, this whole tank fills up completely with water in 9 integer 3 upon 8. The tap with larger diameter, the tap with larger ये है, उसको 1 बोल देते हैं, उसको 2 बोल देते हैं, क्योंकि पहले इसका नाम आया. Alright, tap with larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the tap with small one to fill the tank separately. अब देखो, समझो, मैंने सिर्फ टैप 2 शुरू किया. टैप 1 is closed. The tank is totally empty. सिर्फ टैप 2 शुरू किया. कितना घंटे में वो भर गया? 50. In 50 hours, the tank is full. Just to understand the statement, suppose with tap 2 open alone, it fills the tank in 50 hours. चलिए, अब tank again खाली हो गई. It's empty. Now this time we are closing the tap 2 and keeping only tap 1 open, and it fills the tank in 40 hours. That is what the statement says. If you open only the tap with larger diameter, it will take 10 hours less than the tap filled alone by tap with smaller diameter. समझ में आ गया? You understand? इसको symbolically ऐसे लिखेंगे. Time taken with larger diameter अथवा large tap is less than time taken by small tap. Small tap, actually tap with smaller diameter. Okay, by 10 hours. आपकी समझ में आया कि नहीं? There is lot of pencil work to be done here. Okay, ठीक है? ये condition है. And one more thing. 2 taps together can fill. And time taken by larger tap and smaller tap together. That is 9 integer 3 upon 8. I think after solving those 6 to 7 questions that we saw, I hope you can understand what I am doing here. Alright, first statement. 2 water taps together can fill the tank in 9 integer 3 upon 8 hours. So time taken, that is time taken by larger tap and smaller tap working together when they are open together, can fill the tank completely in 9 integer 3 upon 8 hours. The next statement, the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the small one to fill the tank separately. Alright, so time taken by larger diameter TL and time taken by smaller tap TS. Now time taken by tap with larger diameter is less then time taken by tap with smaller diameter by symbol use कर लिया मैंने. ओके, चलिए अब द टारगेट, हमारा टारगेट वो पहले डिसाइड करना होगा. फाइंड द टाइम इन विच each tap can separately fill the. जो टारगेट है उसी को मैं शुरू करता हूं. पेंसिल वर्क. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द पेंसिल वर्क. सॉल्यूशन. टाइम टेकन बाय टैप विथ लार्जर डायमीटर. ओके, एंड a टाइम टेकन बाय टैप विथ स्मॉलर डायमीटर. उसको मैं सपोज कर लूंगा. दोनों ढूंढना है, लेकिन there is one relationship. Time taken by tap with larger diameter is less than time taken by tap with smaller diameter by 10 hours. Therefore, कौन इक्वेशन बताएगा? महक, इक्वालिटी को कन्वर्ट करते हैं, इनइक्वालिटी को इक्वालिटी में. Raise your hands. Yes, yes you. अरे TL plus 10 is equal to TS. TL plus 10 is equal to TS. अब which is the subject of the formula here? TS. तो उसको नहीं, हम TL को बोलेंगे X. Tap with larger diameter takes X hours. So what will tap with smaller diameter take? How much time? X plus 10 hours. Did you get that? Did you get that? चलिए, अब जो combined rate of time दिया है, time taken by larger tap and smaller tap together is 9 integer 3 upon 8. That is 8 times up 72 plus 3 75 by 8 hours. Children, मेरे पास इंडिविजुअल टाइम है ना, सो रेट ऑफ वर्क भी इंडिविजुअल मिल सकता है. ओके, अच्छा यहां से व्हाट इज रेट ऑफ वर्क फॉर लार्जर टैप? काम तो पूरा टंकी को भरना है, सो फुल वर्क, सो इसका रेसिप्रोकल, सो 1/8 पार्ट पर आवर. इज दैट ओके? पर आवर. और यहां से rate of work for tap with smaller diameter will be how much? 1 upon x plus n part per. ये दोनों रेट ऑफ वर्क से मुझे क्या मिल सकता है? एक प्रश्न. और ये कंबाइंड रेट ऑफ टाइम से मुझे क्या मिल सकता है? वर्क डन इज कंप्लीट. टाइम से मुझे रेट ऑफ वर्क मिलेगा, कंबाइंड रेट ऑफ वर्क. So this implies, I'll write that, this implies combined rate of work for large and small tap. इसका reciprocal, so that is 8 upon 75 part per hour. So combined time से combined rate of work मिला, इंडिविजुअल टाइम से इंडिविजुअल रेट ऑफ वर्क मिला, और इंडिविजुअल रेट ऑफ वर्क से मुझे कंबाइंड रेट ऑफ वर्क मिल सकता है. रेट ऑफ वर्क फॉर लार्जर टैप एंड स्मॉलर टैप टुगेदर इज रेट ऑफ वर्क फॉर लार्जर टैप प्लस रेट ऑफ वर्क फॉर, बिकॉज बोथ द टैप्स डू द सेम वर्क ऑफ pouring water into the. यहां भी एक टैप हो सकता है, वो उल्टा काम करेगा. टैप 3 लगा दो, अब खाली टैंक है, इसको भी ओपन किया, इसको भी ओपन किया, सो 2 टैप्स आर वर्किंग, लेकिन एक भर रहा है और एक खाली कर रहा है. तब कंबाइंड रेट ऑफ वर्क क्या आएगा? माइनस आएगा, लेकिन ऐसा सम है नहीं. चलिए, सो दिस इज इक्वल, व्हाट इज रेट ऑफ वर्क फॉर L? 1 upon x plus what is rate of work for S? 1 upon x plus 10, and this is your combined rate of work. ये ओके, पार्ट per hour. ये रिजल्ट 1, ये रिजल्ट 2. What does result 1 gives you? Combined rate of work for larger tap and smaller tap. What does result 2 gives you? combined rate of work. So they are equal. They are equal. And here is your equation. This 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 10 is equal to 8 upon 75. This is by 1 and 2. Is that clear, children? ये तो हमारा सिर्फ पेंसिल वर्क बना है. This is just a pencil work. Okay, now I start the solution. It's presentation. Alright, मुझे सब कुछ याद है, so I'll erase and write that. Or should I start here? इसको suppose, okay, first I'll write this. Solution. Now, the main thing. Time taken by let the time taken. इसको suppose क्या था? Larger depth है? Let the time taken by tap with larger diameter be x hours. वो डिटेल में नहीं लिखेंगे to fill the tank and all that. Is that clear? Then the time taken by tap with smaller diameter will be x plus 10 hours by data. Data में है, ये है, sorry ये है, right? Okay. और आगे combined time is equal to 9 integer 3 upon 8 hours. That is equal to 72 upon 75 upon 8 hours. Therefore, combined rate of work is equal to 8 upon 75 part per. Are you getting me? मैं सब डिटेल में लिख रहा हूं. पेंसिल वर्क के बाद ये डिटेल की जरूरत नहीं है एक्चुअली, but I'm doing it. Right. So that whenever you see this sum, you will remember what exactly you have to do. Also, combined rate of work is equal to, इसका टाइम कितना है? वो तो टाइम है. So work done 1 upon x plus time taken by this step, time taken x plus 10. So rate of work 1 upon x plus 10. All right. Thus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 10 is equal to 8 upon 75. ठीक है क्या? So now the LCM, x into x plus 10. Here x plus 10 is missing, here x plus 10 ones are x plus 10 and no bracket is required. Plus x is equal to 8 upon 75. Therefore 2x plus 10 into 75 cross multiplication is equal to 8 into, इसको distribute करके लिखता हूं, x square plus 10x. So this gives me 150x plus 750 is 8x square plus 80. Therefore, ये दो टर्म वो बाजू ले चलो. So 0 is equal to 8x square plus 80x minus 150x minus 750 i.e. 8x square. Different sign 70x with minus and minus 750 is equal to. फैक्टराइजेशन थोड़ा टफ रहेगा. सो जनरल फॉर्मूला मेथड हियर बोलिए, a is equal to b is equal to and c is equal to minus 7. अनफॉर्चुनेटली इसमें कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है कि रिड्यूस हो जाए. ऑलराइट, नाउ डिस्क्रिमिनेंट d is equal to b square minus 4 b square minus 70 का स्क्वायर minus 4 into 8 that is 8 into c that is minus 7 7 7s are 49 और 2 0 और प्लस माइनस माइनस प्लस ये 750 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8 4s are 32 0 0 15 22 0 10 14 और 15 so that is 0 0 0 4 और 2 ओके उसमें 0 0 9 8 और 2 8 to 89 है क्या 17 17 is correct sure yes therefore root d is equal to 17 और ये एक 0 alright so now alpha is minus b plus root d upon children पहले थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन कर लो जो पॉजिटिव वैल्यू आए वही पिकअप कर लो and beta is equal to minus b minus root d upon well, what is my b minus 70 so minus b will be plus 70 plus root d 170 upon 2 into a 8 alright यही पॉजिटिव वैल्यू ला रहा है वो करने की जरूरत नहीं है 70 minus 170 हो जाएगा ना so minus 100 आ जाएगा so that will be negative so this gives me 240 upon 2 into 8 8 30s are then 2 15s are so that is 50 therefore alpha i.e. x is equal to 50 x is equal to 50 the tap with larger diameter will take 15 hours therefore x वो भी ढूंढना है ना each step x plus 10 is equal to x 15 plus 10 and that is 25 so tap with larger diameter individually will take 15 hours to fill the tank while tap with smaller diameter independently will take 25 hours to fill the tank. Is that clear? I hope you have understood this. This one problem is little bit difficult, but if you have understood, it's easy. So that's all in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye.